The Supermarine Spitfire's name originates from Sir Robert McLean, who nicknamed his spirited daughter the Little Spitfire, meaning a person with a fiery temper. This name was fitting for the aircraft, known for its fierce combat capabilities. One of the most striking features of the Spitfire, especially during takeoff and high-power maneuvers, was the flames visible from its exhaust stubs. These flames resulted from the high-performance engines running rich mixtures, causing unburnt fuel in the exhaust system to ignite. This phenomenon was more pronounced in the Griffon-engined Spitfires due to their higher power output and larger exhaust gas volume. Pilots and ground crew were accustomed to these dramatic, yet normal, fiery displays.